my new subscribers. Hope you all are doing great. आज जो वीडियो मैं आप लोगों के साथ शेयर करने वाली हूँ वो है एक रिव्यू वीडियो. I will be sharing all hair care range which I have received from E MEGA MART. If you are searching for hair care range which are affordable, then I must say you must try all these products. They are really affordable. In this video मैं आप लोगों के साथ शेयर करूँगी in details about all the products. So yeah, continue watching to this video. And I must say that all these products which I will show you today all are 100% organic. अगर आप लोगों को ये वीडियो अच्छा लगे, then don't forget to like, share to this video and also subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon to get more related videos. और लेट ना करके मैं आप लोगों के साथ शेयर करती हूँ all the products. So let's jump into the video.
Get familiar. So if you don't know by now, then you should probably get familiar.
First product is the Etch WASH Caffeine Shampoo Hair Growth Energizer.
So this is the shampoo. Let me show you. So this is the shampoo. This is in a tube type of packaging, which is very convenient to carry. और ये shampoo क्या करता है? This shampoo works for the roots, and it also prevents your from hair loss, strengthens your root, और ये hair के roots को बहुत अच्छे से clean भी करता है. It also repairs the hair growth and also slow down the process of hair loss. Hair के dryness और scalp की itchiness को भी ये shampoo दूर करता है. And the most important thing, after using the shampoo, ये हमारे hair को dry बिल्कुल भी नहीं करता है, which is really amazing about this products. क्योंकि कुछ shampoo ऐसे हैं जो हमारे hair को बहुत ज़्यादा dry कर देते हैं, but this shampoo does not really makes your hair dry. So in this also you will get 100 ml of the product और इसका price है 399 rupees. So I think it is really nice कि 100% organic product इतने कम price में मिल रहा है. I think it is really affordable.
Second product which I have with me is the Trichoz Hair Serum.
So let me show you the product. So this is the product which you will get. So it has a pump type of thing. I think which is really nice so that you can pump and take out a quantity you want and then you can use it. The bottle is really cute. I just really love this. So this is how much shiny this serum is. Oh my god. So I must say that this serum is non-sticky, non-greasy. See, I have applied and it is not at all sticky. So which is really amazing. And the smell is like top of this. If you like that serum will smell nice, your hair will smell nice, then you must try this serum. This is amazing. So after L'Oreal Professional serum, any other serum which I love is this one. This is really amazing and it really removes the tangle from your hair. And this serum makes your hair look shiny, smooth, and it gives an amazing finish to your hair. This serum also gives a moisturizing and nourishing effect to the hair, which I think is really amazing. Use it. So I think I will use it and show you guys. So I will take just one pump of the product like this. Heat the product properly between your hands. Make it warm and then just I think you can see it has made my hair look shiny. See? I just really I just love this serum. This is just an amazing one. So in this product you will get 50 ml of the product price है 250 rupees. I think is really nice, which is very affordable because L'Oreal का serum are like above 500, so which are really, I think, which is very high price. But in affordable price, if you are searching for a good, very good serum, then you must try this. This is really amazing. I must tell you guys. Just give it a try to this product. This is just amazing.
Next, I will be talking about this Polygon hair lotion.
Yes, so don't get confused. I'm talking about the hair lotion, not the body lotion. Yes, hair lotion are also there. So now let me show you the product, or let me show you कि इस box में आपको क्या क्या मिलेगा, and let me show you the product too. So this is the product which you will get, and इसमें आपको एक पेपर वर्क मिलेगा और इसके अंदर डायरेक्शंस दिए गए हैं कि how can you use the product, और आपको एक इस तरीके का ड्रॉपर भी दिया जाता है. I think which is really nice, so that you can apply the product like this. Amount उतना ज़्यादा नहीं जाएगा फिर आपके स्कैल्प में, so you can take little bit amount and you can apply it. I think which is really nice about this. Let me tell you कि ये product को आपको कैसे use करना है, क्योंकि I know that most of them don't know how to use a hair lotion. Because I think some people will be listening to this first time कि hair lotion ऐसा भी नाम का कोई चीज होता है. So yeah, let me tell you. So hair lotion को आपको कैसे use करना है, that is you just need to make sure that your scalp is completely clean और आपके hairs एकदम dry हो. Then after that you just need to take little amount of this hair lotion और उसको आपके scalp में अच्छे से apply कर लेना है. So don't rub vigorously, नहीं करना है, just gently rub into your scalp ताकि वो आपके roots को अच्छे से absorb हो जाए, ठीक है? And then you just need to keep it for around 6 to 8 hours, and then you need to wash your hair. क्योंकि उसके बाद अगर आप hair lotion को रखोगे अपने बालों में, I can say that it can harm your hair. ठीक है? So it's better to keep for 6 to 8 hours, and then you can wash your hair properly. So if you want best result of this product, then you can use twice a day or once a day, so to see visible result on your hair. So this hair lotion what it does, it prevents your hair from hair loss. ये हमारे roots को strong बनाता है ताकि hair fall बहुत ज़्यादा कम हो जाए. ये hair lotion को apply करने के बाद आपका scalp बिल्कुल भी oily नहीं लगेगा, sticky नहीं लगेगा, so you can be tension free on that point. और ये hair lotion को both male and female इसे use कर सकते हैं, and the smell of these is also very nice. I have used this for around 4 times. I have used this product, and I have seen that the problem which I was facing, the hair fall problem, वो बहुत हद तक कम हो गया है. ये hair lotion क्या करता है? It prevents your hair from hair loss, और ये hair को regrowth करने में भी help करता है. So I think which is really nice. So this is completely a safe product which does the work of hair regrowth, and this is formulated for both male and female. So you must try this once and just see how does it work. All the products which I have shown you in this products are from E MEGA MART, which I have received. So yeah, the first part of this video I have already uploaded that, so I will link that on my description box, so don't forget to check that out. And if you want to purchase the products which I have shown you, link all the products in my description box, so you can directly purchase it from there, or you can buy it from Amazon or E MEGA MART. Okay, so that's all for today's video. Hope कि आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा होगा. So don't forget to like and do follow me on Instagram for more makeup related videos. You can check that out on there.